Then next is the segmentation. Next is the segmentation. So now the second technique or last technique is called segmentation, where CPU gives the logical address. Your logical address here also, it is divided into two parts. One is the segment number, another is the offset. Segment number is denoted by S, and offset value or displacement must be denoted by D. So your logical address divided into two fields. Okay. Now the segment number S is used as an index in the segment table. Okay, if it is a segment table, so segment number is used as your index. So this is one index, this is second index, third index. So in this way, some indexes are there, and that is the segment table. The offset D is the word number within the segment S. Word number, offset D is the word number. Okay, within the segment S. The offset D must be between 0 and the segment limit. Okay, so offset must be 0 and this segment limit. So that's why one decision making block has been considered, that if D is less than 0 or less than this limit, then only base must be added to your logical address, or base must be added to your displacement or offset, so that one physical address must be generated. Okay, so that's why it is given in this way. Now if offset is beyond that range, the operating system generates an error, this trap signal, trap. It generates an error which is called trap address error, which means that the offset is not valid. Your offset is not valid, you have to recheck it. If it is valid, it is added with the segment base to produce the address in the physical memory for the desired word. And all of you have already done the segment, all of you have read the segmentation in 8086. There must be some base address which will be added to the offset, and after adding the base address or the segment address is actually the base address, your base address will be added to the offset address, so you can get the physical address. The same thing is implemented here in this position. Okay, so if it is valid, it is added with the segment base to produce the address in the physical memory for the desired word. Here, so that is called the segmentation of virtual memory. So because segmentation is a memory management scheme that supports the user view of the memory, a logical address space of a program is a collection of segments. So a segment is defined as a logical grouping of instructions such as subroutine, array, or any data area. Now each segment has a name and a length. Name and length. The address of the segment specifies both segment name and offset within the segment. For simplicity of implementation, segments are referred to by a segment number rather than by a segment name, and thus a logical address is generated which has two fields. One is the segment number and another is the offset or the displacement. Okay, so the mapping of logical address to corresponding physical address is to be done by this segment table. By segment table. Now each entry of the segment table has a segment base and a segment limit. Segment base and segment limit. The segment base indicates the starting physical address where the segment resides in your main memory, and the segment limit signifies the length of the segment. What is the length of the segment? So that's why limit must be within the segment. Limit must be segment length, within the segment length. If it is beyond this length, no physical address will be generated. That is the segmentation technique. And so that's all for today. So if you have any queries, you can ask me. Do you have any queries?
Sir, but the frame number is unique. That means no frame number can be repeat for two different pages.
Frame number is fixed, unique. Page numbers are also unique. Page numbers are also unique. But the size inside these pages or space inside this page or inside this frame must be equal. Numbers are different. Like here, it is given as in this example. Here,
okay, sir.
Here, program 1 that is divided into 4 pages and program 2 that is divided into 6 pages. Now every page has different page number. And here, this is your frame. Total 18 frames are there. Now each page is reside in one frame. Now the space inside this page is equivalent to one frame. If it is 4 kilobyte page number, your frame number must be 4 kilobyte, and generally it is 4 kilobytes.
Okay.
Okay, anything else? Now you must clear this concept so that on next day I can start the 80286 microprocessor. Okay, at that time I will not explain any virtual memory, cache memory, or the mapping technique. These type of virtual address mapping technique I will not discussing on that day. Okay, so if you don't have any queries, I will end this meeting. So do you have any queries? If you don't have any queries, then okay, that's all for today. Thank you all. I'll end my meeting. See you on Friday. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.